Mastering the art of writing adjustment letters. Hello, dear language learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into a very important aspect of professional written communication, the adjustment letter. We'll guide you through the basic structure of an adjustment letter and provide you with helpful tips on how to create clear, professional, and effective responses to customer complaints. An adjustment letter, sometimes also known as a claim response letter, is a formal or official letter written in response to a complaint or claim. They are used by businesses to address customer complaints, explaining the solution or compensation offered in response to the issues raised. These letters are critical in maintaining a positive relationship with customers. Part 1. Header. Like any professional letter, an adjustment letter starts with the header. This includes the sender's name, title, and contact details, followed by the date, and then the recipient's name, title, and contact details. This part establishes who the communication is between and when it was written. Part 2. Salutation. Next comes the salutation. Make sure to address the recipient professionally and respectfully, such as, "Dear, customer's name." Part 3. Introduction. The introduction section addresses the issue at hand. Acknowledge the complaint or problem raised by the customer, and express your understanding and appreciation for their patience and feedback. Part 4. Body. The body of the letter provides a detailed explanation of the solution or adjustment being made to rectify the problem. Be clear, concise, and specific. Assure the customer that the issue has been addressed or will be addressed promptly. Part 5. Closing. Lastly, the closing section offers a sincere apology for any inconvenience caused, thanks the customer for their understanding, and assures them of your commitment to their satisfaction. Then you add a professional sign-off, like, "Best regards," or, "Sincerely," followed by your name and position. Always maintain a professional and respectful tone throughout the letter. Emphasize a customer-centric approach. You're not just fixing a problem, you're also rebuilding trust and rapport with the customer. Always use clear and polite language, avoid jargon, and ensure your solution fully addresses the complaint. And there you have it, the basic structure of an adjustment letter. Remember, your main goal is to transform a negative experience into a positive one. Practice writing adjustment letters using this format and you'll be a master in no time. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep practicing and happy learning.